In the previous video, you learned how to create a project from scratch using a blank template. Today, I'll show you how to create your project using an existing template. Let's get started. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard and select New Project. You will be presented with two options: either create a project from scratch using a blank template or utilize an existing template. For this tutorial, we will focus on creating a project using one of the available templates. Upon selecting the template option, you'll see various categories tailored to different business needs, such as marketing and brand management, project management and operations, human resources and hiring, software and app development, finance and business operations, and customer support. For our example, let's choose the finance and accounting template within the finance and business operations category. After selecting the template, you can customize key project details including the project name, key identifier, category, due date, project leader, and color scheme. Additionally, you can set the project's visibility, determining whether it will be private or shared across your team. You may also assign specific team members to collaborate on the project. Once all the necessary information has been entered, click Create Project to finalize the setup. Your project will now be successfully created, allowing you to leverage the chosen template to expedite your project management process. Thank you for following along. Stay tuned for more tutorials and feel free to explore other templates in SmartyDesk to efficiently set up and manage your projects.